Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I received my drip box from Cookie Sticker Co. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and let's see what we've got this time. So this is what the box looks like. The shipping label is on the other side, so I won't show that. But can you see the drip at the top? How subtle that is. I thought that was a pretty nice touch. Okay, so let's open it. So we've got the drip tissue paper, very nice. And then, ooh, and this is everything that's in here. Let's set this aside. So, first off, we have the pen. So as you can see, this box is bee themed. Look at that pen, it's so pretty. It says Cookie Sticker Co. on the clip. Has a little bee on the cap, and this is what it looks like. These pens write well, so I'm not going to do a pen test. I did a pen test with the last one that I received, this one, and it writes great. So yeah, very nice quality weighted pen. What is this? I don't know what this is. It's metal. I think it might be a bookmark, a page mark, maybe. Let's see. I got a planner here. Let's see what it does. I think that's what it is. A page mark. So that's what it looks like. And it's metal. That's especially nice, especially if you read. I read, but lately I listen to mostly audiobooks. Okay. Oh, here's another paper clip. So that one goes like that. Then, oh, there's more metal. Let's see what this is. I haven't seen anybody's unboxing, so this is all new to me. Okay, it's a key ring. Let's get rid of the plastic. Key ring with, I don't know what material this is. Looks like acrylic. The acrylic character. Then it's got a tiny little bee on it. And what's the other charm? Oh, it's two little bee charms on the key ring. Trying to show them. So that's everything on the key ring. Okay. Ooh, I'm loving the colors of this stuff. So then we got this little notepad. Looks like a honey drip on the notepad. That's pretty. Nice bright yellow with the little bees and the character. I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely be taking that to use next to my computer. I keep picking this up. Let's go ahead and open it. This is, I think, die cuts. They may be sticker flakes, not sure. We'll find out. Drip box die cut stickers. Okay, yeah, so they are like sticker flakes. Got the bee. These are the character stickers, or die cut stickers. Look at her with her wings. It's cute. I think this, and where's the first bee? They're my favorites. I really like that flower. And then her with her wings, that's kind of cute too. Okay, so all of those again are sticker die cuts. So let me put them back in the pack. Then we get to the stickers and the washi. Let's see what the stickers look like this time. These are gorgeous. I gotta start using these stickers. Look at the list. Yeah, those are checklists with the bees. The date dots, you get the drip stickers. It says drip box. Very nice. I hate to turn them over because they're so pretty. Ooh, look at these. Some full boxes. BU Queen. Then these are the multiple different types and styles of boxes. And the curved weekend banners. Our half circle weekend banners. Ooh, this is another one of those sheets where I can't really see what everything is, but we went through it in a previous video. They're boxes of different shapes and styles. Let's see. So, for instance, that's one of the shapes. Then got like some half circles or corner circles. So let me put that back. But yeah, you get different little shapes on this sheet of stickers. I'm not going to be able to put that back exactly. Okay, then we got the character stickers. Ooh, look at the florals. The florals. This is my second favorite sheet next to the date covers. With the bees. This is a whole spread. Then we got the character emojis and some drips. Okay, so that is it for the stickers. The stickers didn't come in a little pouch thing this time. The stickers, yeah. Okay, no matter. Then this is the, ooh, look at the card. This is the washi. Let's take everything out. Ooh. I think this is probably my favorite box so far. So we got the Drip Gang stickers. And this is the journaling card, or these are, I've heard people also call them dashboards because they are 4x6. So that's nice. Let's see what we got going on with the washi. So we got the yellow and black stripes with the honey drip. I think that's like a coppery color. Then we got the yellow with the copper drip. Then this is, oh, this is day of the week washi, and it's perforated, I can tell, with the black drip and the bees. And the days of the week, oh, I wish this was more plain. I could use it all the time. But yeah, the days of the week are in the coppery foil. I like that. Then we have the character washi. And it's got drip in between the characters. It's got little bits of foiled honeycomb as well. I'm trying to get right in the camera. There we go. Okay. Then we got the drip with yellow and bees. And then this one is the floral with the bees in the coppery foil. Let's see what else is on here. This is going to be interesting to swatch. Okay, so these are all the washies. This is different. I like different, not the same thing every time. And I don't have any bee themed anything. So this is my first bee themed collection of goodies for my planner. So that is everything. I don't think I'm gonna put this back in the box. Yeah, no. So that's everything from the Cookie Sticker Co. subscription box called the Drip Box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.